This 32-inch LED TV from Fortex comes with HD-ready resolution. The HD-ready resolution with ultra-luminous display offers clarity and provides accurate color, contrast as well as brightness in the picture. The A+ grade LED panel with the slim bezel design offers an immersive viewing experience with better color transparency and depth. The recommended viewing distance for this TV is 6 to 9 feet. Experience complete picture view with Cinema View technology. The TV has one HDMI and two USB ports, allowing you to connect multiple devices like a set-top box, DVD player, gaming consoles, etc. One VGA port to connect laptop is also present. Enjoy loud and clear sound with 20-watt powerful audio speakers. This TV comes with one tabletop stand, wall mount, remote control, user manual and warranty card. The Fortex LED TV comes with standard brand warranty. It comes with free installation and demo. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods.